What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today, we're going to talk about the technicals with Baby Doge. This is just going to be a real short video because not much has changed in the Baby Doge technicals. But for Bitcoin, a lot has changed. And we also have a lot of new holders. So I'm going to talk about that. And we're going to talk about a little bit of this stuff too. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But let's go straight over Baby Doge. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is this. We're just going to get this out of the way because as you can see, Baby Doge has been trading sideways literally all day long and literally yesterday and the day before that. So it's really just been sideways from here. So we really can't talk about much here, but it does look like we almost very briefly yesterday got up to the 1250 resistance, but we couldn't quite get there. And then we got rejected again. And it's kind of looking the same here for Baby Doge. We just got the same supports. It's still not going down below this 1150 area that I mentioned, and it's still not going below that. And we're just really trading sideways here, which is very, very surprising that Baby Doge is just kind of sitting here trading sideways. Because something weird popped up over here. It looks like someone maybe upset. I don't know. We just have a lot burned within the last 24 hours. So within the last 24 hours, we burned 19.65K US dollars inside Baby Doge, which comes out to be 15.37 trillion. But it doesn't really correlate with our trading volume. Our trading volume is actually only at 3.3 million. So it kind of like I don't know how we have that much inside of burns. But hey, we burned a lot in the last 24 hours, so that's definitely surprising. I checked the burn wallet, and when you check it, nothing new. Nothing new is sent here. It's just the same thing. Maybe they upped the burn rate. Maybe they upped the transaction fees or something like that, and more went to the burn rate. I don't know, or maybe Moonscan is just wrong. So that could be also the same thing as well. So maybe Moonscan is just wrong. We didn't really burn this much because as you can see here, we were just trading sideways. Literally inside the last 7 days, we've been trading sideways. Not much volume has really been flowing through. Anywhere from 4 million to 4 million to 3 million, really. And yeah, that's just crazy that we have that much inside of earns, and we're just not doing that much volume. So typically when we have 19K inside of our burns, our volume is looking more like 15 to 20 million, maybe even more. Right now it's only around 3 million to 4 million. So that was just a little bit odd to me. But hey, I'm all right with it, and I think it could just be a glitch here on Moonscan. But I don't know. Moonscan does track all this stuff. It tracks it pretty accurately. And whenever you go ahead and refresh it, now it's showing 0. So maybe it was just error, but it's just something that I noticed inside of Baby Doge. But let's talk about a few other stuff here. So let's get off of that topic. But anyways, we're still going sideways here in Baby Doge. Still not really trying to go below that 1150 resistance or that 1150 support. But I do believe we're about to go below this area here, which is around 1190. So we're probably going to go below that, and we're probably going to hit that 1150 support again. And like I said, if we break that, then I'm really looking for 9Z9 if we do break that. But like I said, none of this financial advice. So do your own due diligence. Anything can happen. But I definitely think Baby Doge still has the potential to add on another 0 and continue to drop if we keep getting this sideways movement and just don't move up from here. Because if we can't break this 1250 resistance, that's pretty much what happens. But what I really want to talk about is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is actually showing some good bullish signals here. So you can actually see some signals here on the oscillator that say bullish. That's because the selling is slowing down and the buying is now picking up, which is a bullish signal. So now we have this buying wave towards the upside. Now we are also inside of this area here where it says high activity is expected, which is high activity for institutional investors and dark pools. So pretty much the biggest whales inside of Bitcoin are expected to have high activity around this area, which is 19.8K right now. This could be either high buying activity or high selling. And considering we just now had some buying, I think we could have a little bit more buying here coming up for Bitcoin. And then we're going to still have some high activity around 20K, and then it'll probably end up getting rejected if it does happen like that. So what I'm looking for here with Bitcoin is another pump back up to 20K, and then this being our new high, and then going down lower, because it does look like we're setting lower highs every single time. So let's go ahead and take off these indicators really quick. So it just looks like from starting from here to here, the highs are actually getting lower. And it kind of looks like we're probably going to start establishing some lower lows as well. But for now, they're all kind of the same. They're all really stagnant. But Anyways, if you look over here, it does show still 24-hour market control and controlled by the bears by 100%. Still shows that we are 100% bearish. We're still really close to this 19.5K support. So we still have that potential to hit that support after we have a little bit of a rise here, if we have a little bit of a rise, right? But really, the 4-hour chart is what matters the most when you're dealing with Bitcoin. And there's also still another bullish signal because the selling is slowing down, like you can see here, which is a bullish signal. You're going to start seeing buying flowing in for Bitcoin. And when that buying actually flows in for Bitcoin, then we're probably going to end up seeing an overbought area coming next. So just wait for that to happen. I don't know when, how it's going to happen, but it definitely seems like that's what's probably going to happen. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. And also, we're getting new holders inside Baby Doge every single day. As you can see, Baby Doge is now pulling in them holders. So look at this. We're up a whole bunch of holders. I mean, I wouldn't say a whole bunch, but still 300 holders is still a lot overnight. So we used to do like 1,000 to 2,000. That's why I said I wouldn't say it's a lot, but still 300 holders in a bear market every single day. That's pretty good. So now today we have 1,612,036 holders inside of Baby Doge. And the whole overall crypto market is still just moving sideways. So there's that. But hey, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I didn't really have much else to go over, but hey, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.